My head hurts seems like a pretty simple, straightforward way to express an idea. At least it is simple in English, just 3 words, my head hurts. But in Spanish, it is not so easy. Why not? Because the Spanish way of expressing an ache or pain is literally to say that the head hurts me. In Spanish, this would be me duele la cabeza. To make matters worse, the word order for this expression is technically to me hurts the head. So let's examine how to complain about pain in Spanish. It starts with an indirect object pronoun. The indirect object pronouns are as follows. Me is to me. Te is to you, familiar. Le is to him, to her, or to you, formal. Nos is to us, and les means to them or to you all, that is, directed to more than one person. Now we need to add the verb doler. In its conjugated form, it is duele or it hurts. Let's list the possible combinations. Me duele is it hurts me. Te duele for it hurts you. Le duele is it hurts him, her, or you, formal. Nos duele is it hurts us, and les duele means it hurts them or you all. But what hurts these people? Let's start with the head. Me duele la cabeza is my head hurts. Te duele la cabeza is your head hurts. Le duele la cabeza means his, her, or your formal head hurts. Nos duele la cabeza is our head hurts. Les duele la cabeza means their or your plural head hurts. Did you notice that we did not say my head, mi cabeza, his head, su cabeza, or even their heads, sus cabezas? It may seem odd in Spanish that we say our head hurts or their head hurts with la cabeza in the singular form, but each of these people affected have only one head, not multiple heads. We know whose head it is from the indirect object pronouns me, te, le, etc. Nos duele la cabeza, for example, means that a headache is affecting all of us. There is no need to specify our heads. Let's learn by example. ¿Te duele mucho la pierna? Asks, does your leg hurt a lot? Al señor Hernández le duele la espalda means Mr. Hernandez's back hurts. Les duele el estómago a los pacientes is the patients have a stomachache. Me duelen los hombros hoy is my shoulders are aching today. Nos duelen los pies después del maratón is our feet hurt after the race. Did you notice that the last couple of examples use a plural form of the verb? The plural form duelen is used when the body part is pluralized, not when the person affected is plural. So, whether my dad has bursitis in both knees, as in a mi papá le duelen las rodillas, or if all of us suffer from the pain, as in nos duelen las rodillas, the subject las rodillas is accompanied by duelen. A few other verbs share the same structure to express a negative reaction. Let's look at the verbs molestar, which means to be bothered by, irritar, or to be irritated by, and picar, which means to itch or sting. Consider the following examples. Molestar. A nosotros nos molestan los insectos means we're bothered by the insects, or insects bother us. Me molesta mucho mi hermano menor is my little brother pesters me a lot. Les molestan los medicamentos nocturnos a los pacientes en el hospital expresses how nightly medications disturb patients in the hospital. Irritar. No puedo dormir bien. Me irrita el estómago is I can't sleep well. My stomach is irritated. A nuestra abuela le irrita la música de los vecinos reveals that our grandma finds the neighbors' music irritating. Diego tiene una jaqueca. Le irrita mucho la luz describes an unhappy Diego with a migraine who is irritated by light. Picar. ¿Te pica la piel debajo de tu yeso? Asks if the skin under your cast is itching. A Guillermo le pican los mosquitos describes an unhappy William being stung by mosquitoes. Las erupciones de varicela les pican a los niños enfermos describes a situation where chickenpox outbreaks are itching sick children.